Imagine having a super smart digital sidekick, Microsoft Copilot. Like a co-pilot in an airplane, it's there to help you navigate your computer adventures. Copilot is a type of artificial intelligence, or AI, created by Microsoft to be your creative partner and assistant in apps like Word and PowerPoint. It's trained on tons of information, so it can answer questions, help you write, and even create images. Almost like magic, but powered by science. Copilot doesn't just copy information, it combines ideas in new ways to help you learn and create. Think of it as your brainstorming buddy, research assistant, and personal artist, all in one. Why is Copilot so helpful for students? It's like having a tutor and creative partner available anytime. Stuck on a story? Ask Copilot for ideas to kickstart your creativity. Need help with math? Copilot can explain tricky concepts in simple ways, using examples you'll understand. Overwhelmed by long articles? Copilot can summarize them into key points, making studying easier. Working on a project? Copilot can suggest facts, design slides, and even create images to make your work shine. It doesn't do your homework for you, but it gives you the tools to learn and succeed. Ready to become a schoolwork superstar with Copilot? So, how does Copilot actually work behind the scenes? Let's break it down step by step to see what makes this AI assistant so unique and powerful. At the heart of Copilot is a large language model, or LLM. This is a sophisticated artificial intelligence system that's been trained on an enormous collection of text, images, and other data from across the internet and beyond. The LLM learns the patterns, relationships, and meanings within this data, allowing it to understand language, context, and even subtle nuances in the way we communicate. When you type a question or give Copilot a prompt, the LLM gets to work. It predicts the most relevant and accurate answer by analyzing the patterns it's learned, almost like finishing your sentences, but on a much larger and more complex scale. It can generate text, summarize information, and even help you brainstorm ideas, all in real time. But Copilot is more than just a language model. It also includes an orchestrator, a kind of digital conductor that listens to your requests, figures out exactly what you need, and then decides which tools or services to use to get the job done. The orchestrator makes sure your request is handled efficiently and accurately, whether you're asking for information, creating content, or automating a task. For example, if you ask Copilot to create a picture or generate a chart, the orchestrator knows to use the right AI tools for visual content, not just text. This means Copilot can switch between different types of tasks seamlessly, adapting to whatever you need in the moment. Another key feature is grounding. Copilot connects directly to Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and Outlook, so it understands the context of your work. Grounding means Copilot can access your documents, emails, and data, always with your privacy and security in mind, to provide answers and suggestions that are relevant to what you're working on right now. For instance, if you're writing a report about dolphins, Copilot can instantly pull up accurate dolphin facts, suggest related topics, or even help you organize your research. It's like having a knowledgeable assistant who understands your goals and helps you achieve them faster. This seamless teamwork between the LLM, the orchestrator, and grounding technology is what makes Copilot such a powerful digital partner. Each part works together, combining deep knowledge, smart decision-making, and real-world context to deliver helpful, accurate, and timely assistance. Whether you're drafting an email, analyzing data, or just looking for quick answers, Copilot is smart, adaptable, and always ready to help you get more done with less effort. Copilot's orchestrator directs a team of specialized agents. Think superheroes with unique powers. The Microsoft Graph agent finds your emails, calendar events, and documents, acting as your personal info detective. The Bing agent brings real-time information from the web, so your answers are always up to date. The Power Platform agent connects Copilot to other apps, letting it handle complex tasks like organizing data. These three agents, Graph, Bing, and Power Platform, work together to help you with almost anything. It's teamwork at digital speed. With Copilot's agents, you have a dream team at your fingertips. How do you talk to Copilot? By typing a prompt, a clear instruction or question. The secret to great results is writing great prompts. Be specific about what you want. Instead of just dinosaurs, try write a short paragraph about the Tyrannosaurus Rex for a 6th grade science report. Give context, like, I'm writing a story about a brave girl named Lily. Suggest an idea for the first chapter. Specify the format. List 5 fun facts about Jupiter in bullet points. The more details you give, the better Copilot's answers. Practicing good prompts unlocks Copilot's full potential. Clear prompts and amazing results. Ready to try prompting? Let's start a fun project. Designing a robot. Begin with a simple prompt to spark ideas. Give me an idea for a robot. Copilot might suggest a robot helper, a pet, or even a space explorer. The first answer will be general, but it's a great starting point for creativity. From here, we'll add more details and guide Copilot to create something unique. Let's dive deeper and get more specific about how we can make our ideas and our AI smarter. Imagine you want help with your homework. At level 2, you might set a clear goal, like saying, give me an idea for a robot that helps kids with their homework. This is a great start because you're telling Copilot exactly what you want. But what if you want something even more helpful? For level 3, you can add more details. For example, give me an idea for a friendly-looking robot that helps 6th graders with math and science homework. Now, you're narrowing it down to a specific grade and subjects, making the answer much more tailored to your needs. Let's take it a step further with level 4. Here, you add not just details, but also features and the format you want. You might say, brainstorm a concept for a friendly robot named Newton that helps 6th graders with math and science. You could even ask Copilot to describe what Newton looks like and list its top 3 features in bullet points. This way, you're getting a creative, detailed, and organized answer that's easy to understand. Each level you add brings more detail and clarity, making Copilot's answers not just more creative, but also more useful and relevant to what you actually need. Think of yourself as a director, guiding the AI like you'd guide actors in a movie. The more direction you give, the better the performance you'll get from Copilot. When you provide more context and specifics, you help Copilot understand exactly what you want, and the results become much more accurate and helpful. Remember, prompting is a skill, just like learning to play an instrument or ride a bike. The more you practice, the better you'll get at asking the right questions and getting the best answers. So, let's challenge ourselves to see just how detailed and creative we can get with our prompts. The smarter your questions, the smarter your AI's answers will be. Now, it's time for the ultimate prompt, the one that brings together everything you've learned so far and takes your creative process to the next level. To craft a truly masterful prompt, you need to combine all the essential elements: your goal, the context, the intended persona, the features you want to highlight, and the tone you want to set. Think of it as assembling the perfect recipe. Each ingredient matters, and together, they create something extraordinary. Let's walk through a master-level example. Imagine you want Copilot to write a product description for a brand new robot called Newton. Here's how you'd set it up. First, define your audience. In this case, the target audience is parents of 6th graders, people who care about their child's education and want to make learning fun and engaging. Next, decide on the tone. You want the description to be both exciting and reassuring, so parents feel confident and kids feel inspired. Now, describe the product itself. Newton is a friendly, owl-shaped robot designed to be a fun and helpful homework companion, especially for math and science. Its playful design makes it approachable, while its features make it powerful. Paint a vivid picture of Newton's appearance. Imagine big, glowing eyes that light up with curiosity, a sturdy base for stability, and a design that invites kids to interact and explore. Then, highlight its standout features in a clear, numbered list. First, Newton has an interactive Pico projector that can display colorful diagrams and visual aids right onto the wall, making complex concepts easy to understand. Second, it offers a voice-activated curiosity mode. Just ask Newton a question, and it responds with fun facts and explanations, sparking a love of learning. Third, Newton's problem-solver arms can write out math steps, helping kids see each part of the solution and build confidence in their skills. Finally, wrap it all up with a catchy slogan that captures Newton's spirit, something memorable that sticks in the mind and makes the product stand out. When you provide this level of detail, you empower Copilot to generate content that's not just accurate, but also engaging, creative, and tailored to your needs. It's like giving the AI a blueprint for brilliance. Remember, you're not just using AI as a tool, you're entering into a creative partnership where your ideas and Copilot's capabilities come together to make something truly unique. Well-crafted prompts are the key that unlocks Copilot's full creative power. The more thoughtful and specific you are, the more impressive the results will be. So, give it a try. Experiment with your own master-level prompts and see what masterpieces you and Copilot can create together. Remember, every creative journey, from the first spark of an idea to a finished masterpiece, begins with a single, well-written prompt. Start yours today.